I use Canva for some of my animation, some of my illustration, and the majority of my background. This example here, I create a quick illustration talking about target date fund, and as it progresses to different part of the target date fund, I do a voiceover talking about how each target date fund has different asset allocation of US stock, international stock, and bond depending on the target year. Then the user can not only hear what I'm talking about, but also visually see the different target allocation breakdown. So it's a very, very awesome tool, and it's fairly quick to create as well. I also use it as an infographic. In this case, it was my Millennium Medal Marathon, where we had 6 loops and the different lap time for the different loops, after third loop, after fourth loop, and at the end of the loop. I also use it as a green screen where I animate saving for retirement into retirement years. As far as background goes, it is very, very quick to create this background, this as well as this. The thumbnail is quick to create because I start off with a template, and from that template, I move different elements around and change the text, and that gives me the final output. And there are various templates that I can choose from. And if you see the crown, that means that is a paid version. And if you don't see the crown, that is a free basic version. And text, there are plenty of different texts and different fonts and different styles that I can also select from. The nice thing about this is I can blur out the background or remove background fairly quickly. If I duplicate this page here to illustrate that point, and I can simply click on an image. If I want to remove the background, I can simply click on remove background. That is a paid version, and the background is removed. If I want to blur the background, I can click on edit and click on the available tools, autofocus, and within seconds, it creates this nicely blurred background.